abebembezi ba district ya Bushenyi izo lya nyuma y'ebazyo batabukire headmaster w'ishomero ya Paul Junior wo mu Bushenyi abo kandika ebara iri kugambira abazire okureka abantu mu maka gabo akiro cyo kusereka abana.
We wrote last time around when we had the HPV vaccination here. Some mistake happened and a parent took us to court. And we had the High Court in Mbarara. So this time around, when the thing came, we said, no, fine. We want to make it open. We don't want to force. Last time we had done to all children. So this time we said, no, we want to make it a bit open. Let us allow this, because there are some parents who are saying, my child has already had this. Why would you really have it by force?
Chairman atabukire headmaster wokugezaho okuremesa enteekateeka ya government.
So that's why we are saying you need to apologize before we start.
Nabwanyuma headmaster ashabira okusaasirwa omubahaneki. Bwanyuma yebi abebembezi obebembiremu n'ab'ekitongole kya Lions Club Bushenyi batongwize okutera abaana ebikatu omuli kya polio na kikutiya. Abana barukurenga omutaro gumwe n'ecweka nobarukuza kutunga obuheereza obwo omu kyanga eki.
And it's my humble request that we join hands as from what I mentioned, political leaders, health workers, and everyone parents to see that this program succeeds.
As a country, we have had outbreaks for measles and rubella, especially in the last several years. Last year alone, about 63 districts had outbreaks, and the most affected communities were actually schools. The reason being that we have too many pupils in small places.
DC wa Bushenyi arabwire bakuru b'amashomero agogona agarukuteekateeka kweja kuzingamya enteekateeka egi.
Chena kandi tuchenera kimwe ndakubaisa abantu bona exercise egi ninkuru munonga n'ihanga lyona tera mukakona kandi ntuwoni ngomuntu wena ari kugezaho kuremesa exercise ngo kirekire cya government kiza kumukwata.
Amakuru aga gasha kwa Abraham Muganza ahabwa TV West.